Okay, so I am back recording another video. Remember, we already went through this. If you haven't seen this video, definitely check out the video. It's the one right before this one, and that's where I talk about pretty much everything and the income that I did receive. So now, since my cash for my variable expenses is in the bank, I won't be doing a cash stuffing, but I am going to, which I need to do since I didn't do it yesterday. I need to go ahead and clean off my trackers. Y'all, can you believe the last time I used my expense trackers was sometime in July? Yeah, I know. That's terrible, right? Now, since I'm not using cash for cash envelopes, this time I'm going to talk about everything that I did save. So let me go ahead and move to the computer while it's still on. Hold on. Okay, so instead of this going in order by alley, I want to go ahead and start with Christmas. So for Christmas, let's see. And I'm not sure how well this is going to show since I'm pretty much recording this. So I did go ahead and add $42 to Christmas. So for Christmas, with interest and all of that, I got $613.25 so far. So I know the car payment is not included in my savings, but I did go ahead and pay that full amount of $335. And now I only owe $21,224. Uh-oh. And it looks like I have $244, which of course this will change when I pay again because I'm going to continue to pay half payments like I am. So it say I have $244 that's going to be due November the 23rd. So I guess I'm trending in the right direction because we're not near November just yet. And this is for the car payment. Hold on. Remember in my last video, I did advise if you're wanting to invest, pretty much, invest what you have, check out Mommy Trader. And what is that? I don't know what that is on the screen, but remember I did say I was going to invest $42. So that's where I invested, yesterday on the 5th for actually $41.29, and I ended up getting 0.65, and altogether my shares are like, let's see, position, quantity. So altogether I have 1.68 of SPLG for the month of September so far. And remember, I'm going to try to invest $40 to $42 every time I get paid. And so back to the piece of paper for now. Now let's go ahead and check out Allie. And I did make sure everything was hidden. So for Allie, these are where the funds are going to. We have $7 going to Dee's ABC challenge, 20 to fun, which is for my best friend's wedding. The quarter pack is getting 7 just to round up to the nearest whole dollar. Auto funds are getting 10. I know. I said I wanted to maybe try to set 200 and some dollars to the side, but I wasn't able to do that this time. So we're pretty much working with what we got. For medical, I am doing $6 for, oh, never mind. That $20 was for Gulf Shores, and my best friend wedding is getting $10. Then we have $10 for the Virgo challenge, and then we have $10 set aside for my godson. I definitely want to support him while he's having a fundraiser, but I'm not going to send the full amount, which is $20, to donate until I get paid my next paycheck. So this is what everything looks like. Let's go ahead and check out Allie. Okay, so I added everything in. We have the Virgo challenge for $10. We have support Mario for $10. Best friend's wedding, $10. Altogether for Dee's challenge, we have $44. For Gulf Shores, we have that $20 added in. Nothing for birthday. Don't mind the rent because that's not true. For the quarterback, we did round it up to make it 4,180 bucks. We have the $6 for medical. We did go ahead and add $10 for the car fund since I do have my car. I get an oil change next week. And for interest over the year, Allie has paid me $196.40. And when it comes to Dee's challenge, I'm just going to pretty much circle this. So I was finally able to get $7 for her challenge. We've already did this one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. So for the next time I can try, well, I'll attempt to do 20 bucks for this one, and then maybe I'll try to do 11 and 12 and get to the end of it so we can save that $351 since I did start this on July. Was it July? Yes, July 19th of this year. So overall, this is what the savings look like. I know it's not much, but it's better than something. And I think I'm on track doing what I need to do in a better way versus spending from the quarterback fund, which, yeah, I don't need to touch it no more this year. Hopefully everyone has a happy September. Also, let's go ahead and check out the Virgo challenge. Hold on. Wait. No, this is back to school. This is a back to school challenge. I got a little bit confused when Cassie sent the challenges. So it's the back to school. Of course, I did link the correct one down below. So let's go ahead and get it taken care of for $10. Okay, here we go. So we have the SNC Create $60 savings challenge. Remember, I did say I was going to start with all the low numbers first. And let's see. So we have 1, 3, and I believe this is 8, 9. Wait a minute, I can't count. So we have $10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's right. 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, I was able to color these correctly. So let's see if I am able to save a copy, which I'm going to end this video here because I don't know if it's going to change. Okay, there we go. So I went through, I saved it, so I'll have it next time, and hopefully the next time I could save possibly 20 bucks. Remember, I do still have the $20 that I had in Navy Federal just sitting to the side. I did send that to my Allie checking account, so I'm hoping it can just sit there by its little lonesome self until I get paid again. That way we can possibly get finished with this challenge or one of the other challenges. So I do hope you all have a great day. When you see this video, it will be on a Saturday. Remember, if you do want to download this challenge, the link will be below. Let us know. It could be me, Cassie, anyone that's participating in this. You can just let anyone know and we'll come and watch your video to give you that support. Bye. Have a great day. I'm trying to debate if I want to work overtime. The way my funds has been looking, I need to work overtime all the rest of this year, literally. So, bye.